How's it, everybody? And welcome to Unzipped Methodically Messy. Sorry I'm a day late this week. I really was going to do it yesterday, but it's now Tuesday and I got scratched by a little puppy in the eye. So that's another story. But have you, as parents, grandparents, aunties, uncles, you remember when those children said the funniest things, right? In conversation or something happened and it should get you upset or something, kind of like that video. What is it? Linda, listen, Linda. You know that video, right? Okay. Well, my sons were just like anybody else's children. They said the craziest things and, mostly mispronunciation. But one of the mispronounced words that I recall, Ho'opono would say, and he said it often, I'm so disappointed. Makes sense. Simplified. Disappointed. All right? A little pissed and a lot of disappointed. So, disappointed. Or like the other word that comes to mind, the second one, and was used a lot as he was growing up. And then Paul, the youngest, he learned it and used it a lot. Booty burp. Booty burp. Today I'm grateful for the memories of my two boys, of them growing up and stuff. There was a lot of hard times. Every parent knows it. Every grandparent knows it. Those that have children know how difficult it can be. But more than that, we tend to remember all the fun times and good times. There might be some bad times, right? But man, there's been so much great things happen in our lives, and I'm grateful for that. Seeing how my sons grew up, seeing how they treated others, seeing how they tried to live by example. They're immature, so they did immature things. But generally speaking, they live by example. I'm grateful for those things. A buddy of mine, Ben Deacon, he sent us a link to a video that of a house that we used to live in for about 7 years, I think. 7 years in Broken Arrow, and that's where my sons had the most memories growing up, in the sense of childhood, right? Because when we moved here to Arkansas, Ho'opono was going into 8, and Paul was going into 6. So just think about that, right? Paul started school in Broken Arrow, and Ho'opono started school in Broken Arrow. So there's a lot of good memories, particularly in the house. So Ben sent the link, and it has the short video of our house in Broken Arrow. And when I watched that, it just brings me to the tears of some of the fun times and great times, I know, and those are tears of joy, and like it shows one part in the hallway. And the first thing I think of in that hallway, there's a corner in the hallway downstairs and a bathroom right by it, okay? So corner, bathroom. And down there is the kitchen, dining room, and so forth, right? And all of a sudden, one night we're eating dinner at the table. We ate dinner at the table every night unless we were out. But still was at a table. So as kids, we raised them to eat at the table, breakfast and dinner. And so that's what we did. Every meal, no exaggeration, except movie nights when we had pizza and popcorn or, things like that. But we ate a meal at the dinner table. And this night we're just eating, and Paul, all of a sudden he's like, and as a parent, everybody knows what means, right? When your kid does that, right? And he starts doing that at the table, and then he starts running. Oh no, in the kitchen. We was in the kitchen, and he starts running, and he runs down the hallway, and he's going to run like this and go in the bathroom, right? But before he gets to the bathroom, he's running down the hallway. Okay, he's running down the hallway. he tries to stop to go in the bathroom, but he throws up about right here. He throws up, slips, boom, on his butt, bam, against the wall, craps himself, gets up, runs to the bathroom and finishes throwing up. So he throws up, slides on it, slams against the wall, and then runs in the bathroom and throws it up. Ah, those are good times. But today, my word or my encouragement of the day is this. There's so much crap going on, so much bad things. And sometimes we just got to simplify. We got to be grateful. And we got to stop. It's not easy to stop and be grateful. And I understand. But if you're going through a hard time, trust me, you're going to make it. You're going to survive. And you're going to pull through. And if you need somebody, you can contact your friends, your family, me. You're not alone. Today is gratefulness, and I appreciate all of you. I appreciate my wife, and I appreciate my sons. Love you, fam bam. Aloha.